Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to customize gestures for your earbuds QCY MeloBuds Pro. You have to start by open QCY application, and of course your headphones should be turned on and connected to your phone. Then the application open for you headphones menu. You need to go to the settings at the right top, and right here we have all controls. So by default single press set to none, and we can change it, so click on it. For the left earbud I wanna play previous track, I wanna lower my volume, so I select volume down my music, and with the right one I wanna volume up my music. Then also I wanna change triple press for the left earbud. I just click on it and I wanna play previous track. And for the left earbud, for the double press, I wanna call voice assistant. So I click on it and select voice assistant. And this one, I guess, the best one for me. You can also change it. Also, when you select something, so for the double press, I select voice assistant. And as you can see right here, we have the word default near to the default gesture on double press. The same for the single press, as you can see it's set to none, as I tell you, and with the triple press also we have a default. And that's it. Also you have press and hold, so you can press and hold at your left or right earbud. With it you can enable or disable game mode or switch between ambient sound control. And we cannot customize it. As you can see, we have an option press and hold or long press or something like that, so we cannot change it, and now that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.